There we go. So I'm going to do something a little different today. Realized I made a lot of crinkling sounds yesterday, and ums. We need to say more. Um's not being said enough. Moving on to the next thing. It's the manual for the practice soldering. It goes through some proper ways of soldering and improper ways of soldering. And talks about heat sinking. Electronic components such as transistors, ICs, and diodes can be damaged by the heat during soldering. Heat sinking is a way of reducing the heat on the components while soldering. So, found my bag of alligator clips. So I'm going to be using these little puppies to act as heat sinks, hopefully. So, and then it goes on and says, note, before beginning assembly, please refer to page 13 for the resistor reading exercise. This will familiarize you with resistor color band coding, which is nice, except it's a black and white manual, and so then they write out the colors for you, and then you have to switch back to page 2 and then look up the bands and then back to 13. Yeah, not gonna do that. Maybe later. I don't know. We'll see. So, now I'm just going to go through and start assembling the board. If you remember, this is the board. We'll be adding some components. The battery, some capacitors, the IC chip, potentiometer, some resistors, a jumper wire, resistor, more resistors, and a capacitor. So, oh, there's the potentiometer. So, without further ado, we need to add the battery snap. So, I have to add the plus to the plus and the minus to the minus, and everything will be great. Why they have 3 holes there, I don't know, but they do. Interesting. 2 of which go to but wow, that's close. Alright, slide this through here, bend it a little bit, kind of, sort of hold it in place, put the negative in the negative, gonna bend that. And of course, tries to pop back up. I might wind up just doing one of these at a time. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Hold it, and of course I got computer glasses on, so they're not exactly convenient. Bifocals, because then I can focus. So, grab solder, grab the iron. Sometimes you have to play around with propping stuff up just the right way. And you know what? You don't need to be looking at me and you change the camera. So, here we go. Yeah. So I got it kind of propped up, and it's hard to see, but right here's where we're going to be soldering. There's a little bit of the wire poking through, so of course it wants to move now, so you put the slice with the pressure. Much better. that soldered. Gotta get the negative in. Double check I got the positive and the positive. That could cause problems down the line. And put that there to hopefully keep it from sliding too much. And that's it. Next. So we got the battery snap. Now we need the C5 and C6. C5 would be the so it'd be this way. C5 and C6. That's gonna be the big ass one, the 100. And so put the puppy over, and let's see, it's going to be the one C6. So go ahead and pull C6 off. Now, one thing it did say is that these are have polarity. So apparently, there's a little O. That's the negative. So let's straighten this out. Make sure the O goes toward the negative and positive toward the positive. I don't know if I would have put that in there. Thinking back, I probably would have put the power thing on the last, because I have a feeling it's just one of those big long things that's just going to keep flopping in the way. So I don't know. So there's the capacitor. Pull these apart like that so it stays in place. And now I need the C5. Doesn't seem to be. Although I don't know what the difference between C4 and C5 is, since they're both the same. But we'll grab them because that's the order they have them in. And pop this little puppy in. 2, 3. And put them all in. This if we put them in, then we can get them in place, bend them down, and then when we solder them, they'll already be there and they're not going to fall out. So next, C5, C6. Ooh, the IC timer. Yeah, I think we're going to do that. We're going to do these two, and then we'll look on the timer. The timer chip. Oh, there she blows. Found the timer chip. It's in this little package. Put that there. So let's flip this puppy over. Again, probably would do that last. I don't know why I had to do that first, but anyway. Hold it in place. Grab. Really close. Like that. I'm trying to pull some of this away from that. Looks like it might be bridging. It's not what we want. Stick my eyeball in there. It doesn't look like it's touching. I'll check the continuity after I get the other side soldered. Because that's safer than trying to put power to it and watch all the magic smoke come up. That's soldered. That's soldered. Snip them. Snip them. Snip them. Snip them. I gotta check the continuity there. Set this to ohms. Just check the continuities. Alright. Oh, we're not getting any continuity. It's awfully close. I don't know if you see how close those, that capacitor right there is very, very close. I think way too close. But the pads almost touch. So, again, wood. Kill the battery. Next time I need it. Alright. So we got 3 things down. Now we need to do the IC chip. How are we going to do that? Now, there is a specific way it needs to go in. See the 555 there. See the little curved half circle there. Line that up. And the dot should be the number 1, I would think. That's how most of them work. And then just get these in. Easier said than done. There we go. Chips in, double check. Yeah, half circle, dot. Cool. Now, if we remember, this is where it said that there's a heat sink problem, so I don't know. This might be something that just might be better to just do real quick. Cause I'm trying to get alligator clips on these things. I guess so. Let's prying it up. I do one on each end, and then that should at least secure it in, so then I can hit the other ones a little harder. Now again, it's going to want to walk on me. Okay. Oh, one of them already, no, still there. This is where I wish I had some kind of clamp for it. But I don't, so gonna wanna, yeah, it popped right out. There we go. Thanks. Easter Bunny. Which one we got? Kitty corner. Still wants to pop out. I just need to. It sits on that. Pen. Okay. Freaking popped out again. This is more pain. I think I'm just gonna not sit there with the soldering iron too long, just solder them as quick as I can. So lay this. Of course, I can't lay flat because why? You got the other components. So just gonna do the key corner here. Stupid battery thing keeps getting in the way. Stupid. Boom. Boom. On. Not good enough. Boom. I'll have to look at that one later. That's better. Jackass is there again, huh? Boom. Okay. The IC chip's done. Now I need the potentiometer. Again, potentiometer. And again, it's one of those high profile things. You'd think you'd want to take all the small stuff and then build up so that when you place it and lay it down, it's not, things jerking you all over the place. But hey, I'm not the one who designed this. Okay, don't have to chip those off. So, potentiometer, that should be that. And of course you got, look at all these slots. They must have designed it to take two different potentiometers or whatever's cheapest at the time. So, because it looks like, according to this, these two sides are going in to the same spot. So, potentiometer is going to have 3. So, it must go in like that. Now we'll flip it over. Of course, it wants to jump out again because that's the way it rolls. Put that in at an angle. Hopefully, rotate that around so it can be seen. And this is going to want to move again, but what can I do about that? Other than boom. the other side, make sure it didn't flow out a bunch. Alright, that's what we got so far. Now we can do some resistors. Yay, resistors! Resistance is futile. R9. So an R9, is it brown, black, orange, gold? So the number is the one below it. So brown, black, orange, gold. Personally, I think based on the labeling, I'm looking for, so that's this one. Brown, black. So it's brown. Although it should be this way. Brown, black, orange, gold. So and this one's supposed to go into R9. So, this up here. And get that in. Pull that through. Bend, bend. Oops. Unbend, unbend. Pull that through. Make it look neat. Like some Yahoo. Just soldered this together without regard for, you know, decency. So we got R8, now R8. Ooh, the one above it, which should be brown, black, orange, gold. Huh? You'd think they're both the same, and they are. So, and just, I don't think resistors are, I'll put them in the same orientation so that these that are going this direction all face the same way. And then I'll put them in this direction, they'll all go the same way, so they read as they're supposed to be. So, and got a jumper wire. Got a jumper wire there. I don't know why jumper wire, but hey, I'm not the one who designed this. I don't know. Jumper wire. It's supposed to take like an inch or something. But I'll have to make it. I found my wire. So I'll just. I'm going to strip off some before. More I can always cut off at the other end. So I have to. So that one. So I got that. Now I can cut it. About there. And I need the pliers again because it's a small piece of wire. It's hard to strip. I'm not sure wire stripper. And so pull it off. And dingo. There we go. So now we got two ends. And hopefully this is small enough to fit. So I'm going to twist these in like that. Bend it over. Hopefully we can get them into the holes without causing too much trouble. Trouble with a capital T. It reminds me of me. No. No. Fine. Alright. So now we got a jumper. Push that off to the side so it doesn't pop out. And now I think we'll come back and do the two other resistors and the capacitor after we get these soldered in. So and once again, it's gonna wanna move on me because that's the way it rolls. So, I guess I'll work my way across. Probably can't see. Still look like they go. Probably doing this all wrong. Man, it's taking a lot. There we go. Jumper wire. I have to keep remembering to pull back on the solder so I don't draw my fingers into that screaming hot soldering iron. That's okay. So now we got those done. Clip off these ends. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. Got these two resistors and a capacitor to go, and then we're going to call that a day because the next part's on the next page. So I'm going to get up on the R7 and R6. Brown. R7 is a yellow, violet, brown, gold. Yellow, violet, brown, gold. So, and decided that I'm going to read it this way. So, the R7. And beat that in. Shink. Sound effects are entirely optional. Pull that in, center it, twist, twist. And as long as I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and solder it. Don't really save a lot by, since it's so tricky around anyway. Boom. Snip. Snip. Cut that one back over. Okay. R7. And of course I put it in the exact opposite way I said I was going to, so. Oh. To be consistent, the other one's going to have to go in the same one, which is a red, orange, gold. Red, orange, gold. So that's R6. Yeah, these. There's no rhyme or reason in the, I guess, no. There's no rhyme or reason in the order in which they put these on there. I mean, it's not like jumping all over the place. Weird. But, again, so we got red, orange, gold. If I want to put this in the same direction. The other one, so I'm consistent. Consistently wrong, but at least I'm consistent. Those in. Solder. And then we can go on the capacitor. Yay! There we go. Snip. Snip. Oh. There we have it. Okay. Halfway done according to the directions. Not halfway. Probably a little more components tomorrow, but won't be long before we're letting out the magic smoke. Check real quick. Right. I'm looking to see if there's, yeah, that one's not good, that one's not good. Not good solid solder, so. The problem is, my eyes aren't that great now. It's hell getting old. Okay. Yep. 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 Check all the other ones. I mean, the ones around the potentiometer are probably okay, but there's big gaping holes. I don't like that, so I'm gonna fix that. Solder. Down. Boom, that looks better. Okay, this one. Much better. This one. There we go. Looking much better. Alright, everything's on there solid. What is that? An extra hole there. Maybe it's a ground. But oh, maybe it's a place you can grab a ground if you want one. Because it's connected to the negative. So maybe it's used some other place. I don't know where, but maybe. So got it together halfway anyway. Still got the cool design there. So yeah, I don't know if I would have put everything in this order on it, just because see you got tall things and you got short things. If you put all the short things on first, then it would lay flatter when you're trying to solder, and then just build your way up. But yeah, hey, I'm following the directions for at least once in my life. So, catch you later. Bye.